What's up, everybody? Just kind of gonna update everybody on how the week went for the Titan G27 bot. So, unfortunately, I decided to cancel the subscription that I was paying for the bot. The trades you see right here is just the how many is that? Five. The last five that we have open, and we're just gonna let them close and do their thing. But the bot is no longer opening any more trades because it's just lost too much money, and I don't feel like it's worth it at this point to keep it running. So I don't think it was worth 100 whatever it was, $47 a month to just keep losing more money. So canceled it before it charged me my next time, and we're just gonna let it run out. With the money we have left in the account, I'm gonna try and trade manually and see how it goes. I've been kind of just figuring out the app and the software of how to trade on my own. So that's kind of what I've been doing the last few days, and just been trading the main pair right here, Euro USD, and just trying to figure out just different ways to trade and things like that on here. So I mean, that's pretty fun, and I'll keep you guys updated on that. But as far as this Forex journey goes, we're going to be ending that, but we are going to be starting a different journey if you guys are interested in this, which is a dividend portfolio, if you guys are interested in that. So I've had this for a while, but I didn't make any videos on it. I thought the Forex would be a little cooler because it's a little more risky and just a little more movement going on. But nobody wants to watch me lose money unless they don't like me. They don't want to watch me lose money and over again. So hopefully this loads up in a sec. I might just cut it to when it loads up here. Alright, here we go. I got it. Had a little trouble opening it up, but finally got it to work. So, as you can see, this is my portfolio all time. You can see I was growing it for a bit, and I actually withdrew it all and then put more back in because I didn't need it. So, I've slowly been putting a little bit more in. I kind of stopped for a while, and right here, you can see I put nothing in. It's just stayed pretty flat. My earned dividends all time is $64.92, which is the main goal of this account, is just to try and grow it and grow the dividends and increase the dividend reinvestment. So over here you can see my cash balance. I just moved the screen, is $13.70. That's all from dividends, and once it reaches, I believe, $25 now. Yeah, it used to be $10, but they changed it to $25. So once it used to hit $10, it would reinvest, but now it's every 25. So I'm just gonna start putting in $50 every week. So no matter what, it'll take that cash balance from my dividends, whatever I earn that week, and just invest it along with my 50 that I put in. So as you can see, my all-time is down $192. That's because I kind of started investing right here. Kind of got all my money in right around February, right before everything hit. And then, we took some big crashes and came up a bit, and then, just really volatile. So, I mean, this account is going to be for a long term. This is something I plan on building and holding for years and years to come. So, I'm not really worried about being down slightly right now because I believe all the companies that I do hold are good. I actually got this idea off another YouTuber, Joseph Carlson, who I watched for a while, but his account is pretty large now, so I kind of wanted to share a smaller account with you guys to show you how it goes. But I would recommend doing this. It's probably the safest form of investing I've done so far, because all I've done is, as you know, the Forex bot, and then also options, which are also risky. So I can go over to my holdings here, and I'm holding 43 different positions, and it tells you the exact amount of shares. It does fractional shares, so you don't have to buy full shares. So you can see the shares here, the average price I paid for it, and the total value of money that I have invested in those companies. And as you can see, these are all very well-known companies, very good companies, that most of them, even with this virus going on, they're still able to bring in revenue one way or another. So a lot of these gas companies, banks, they're still doing well. Some of these realty companies they kind of struggled for a while, but I think they're starting to come back up a tiny bit. I have a bunch of different companies in here, and I'll post the link down below so you guys can see exactly what I'm holding if you'd like to notice or kind of check that out. But yeah, as you guys can see, these are all big companies, and everybody should know all these. So they have a pretty safe dividend score. I think the average yearly yield is around 4.5%, I believe. So that pretty much means for every $100 in the account, I get $4.50 per year in dividends. A lot of these are actually monthly, and a few are quarterly. I don't think I have any ones larger than that, but yeah, mostly are monthly and quarterly. So every single month, some of these companies are paying me dividends, and the plan is to just keep putting it back into the portfolio and then grow, and then I buy more or I'll receive more dividends, and it'll buy more of the company, and it just keeps on going, and then we get that compounding snowball effect. So this is kind of something I really enjoy doing, and I haven't been paying attention to it for a while, and I haven't really been contributing, but with the Forex spot out of the way, I really wanted to get this going because it is just a safer option in my opinion. The Forex is it was just something I found out quickly and wanted to try and kind of record and show with you guys in case it did work out. But this is definitely a better long-term thing if that's what you guys have in mind. If you guys want something risky where you're going to try and make 100% overnight, this is not what you want. You can go trade options for that and throw all your money on a Tesla earnings call or something, but but this is more of a long-term thing, and I think it's really satisfying kind of watching the dividends go in. Like just today on Friday, I received 41 cents in dividends. The entire week, I received $1.07. Last month, I received $10 in dividends, and last 3 months, $21, and all time $64. So you can see it's not huge, but it does add up over the long time, and eventually it will. I'll be getting huge dividends at one point. So I also have a spreadsheet that kind of shows that I keep track of, and it shows the average or the actual dividend I get each month, and it's kind of cool. I want to watch this grow. I actually have one with projections and also just the total portfolio value. This is when I took out some of the money. That's why it's decreased so much, and because of the virus. So that's the reason why it kind of fell. But I'm trying to start building this up again and grow it to be pretty large. So, and I want to keep you guys updated on it. So as you can see here, that my first month in, I only received 50 cents in dividends, and then $5.53 and $2.68. See, these like every 3 months is when the quarterly dividends come in. So you can see it's pretty larger. Like it becomes pretty large, and then it drops, and then it slowly builds up. It's because I get those quarterly dividends along with the portfolio growing. This is when, as you can see, this $10.44 here was down here when my portfolio was worth around here, is worth a little more. So down here you can see I received a little bit less this quarter because I sold off some of the companies. But I want to start building it back up because, just I want these dividends to be reinvested faster. So I'll probably start making the videos on Monday for you guys, just so you could see every Monday, because that's when I'm going to be putting in the $50 each week is on Monday. So 9:30 a.m. Monday is when I'll be buying shares. So I want to keep you guys updated every Monday on what exactly I'm buying, and then on that Monday we'll go over the previous week on how much dividends we got, and just kind of keep you guys updated on what's going on. So yeah, unfortunately we're bringing the Forex bot to an end. Yeah, at least for the bot. I'm going to keep trading that manually like I said, and we'll see. I'll keep you guys updated if it does well, and I'll also let you know if it goes horribly wrong. But yeah, this is whatever's left in the account, like $300. $311 with these trades going on right now. So I kind of just want to have some fun with it. Just trade larger lot sizes than 0.1 here. I was trading a few, and I was trading like 0.30 instead of 0.01. So every time it moves, one pip is what this is called. Instead of, if it's going in my favor, instead of getting 1 cent for every pip like this is doing, like the bot does, I get 30 cents. So it kind of moves a little quicker, and then I can put some trailing stop losses on instead of the bot, which just has its take profit point and its stop loss point, which can almost hit the take profit and then go very badly. And you know how we saw that with the bot, it didn't have the trailing stop loss, and sometimes we lost some big money when we could have made out even bigger. So that's pretty much it for the update, you guys. Thanks for watching. Hopefully everybody's having a good night or day whenever they're watching this video. Make sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video and you want to stay updated on the portfolio, or if you have any questions, make sure to comment down below. But anyways, guys, leaving it off there. See you next week.